welcome back to another video of HA Shoulders. So guys, today we are doing unboxing of squishy dumplings that we got, and we were really excited. So we already unboxed the dumpling, but I think we are a little late for squishy hunting, so sorry for that guys. But I think it's still going viral all around internet. So yeah, let's just do it. So you start first. Which one do you want?
I want green.
Green, okay. Green is good. Okay, 3, 2,
Wait,
1.
I need to take the tape. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh, this. Oh wait, this is the color changing one. I'm not joking. This is actually the color changing one.
Look,
Yeah, it's a color changing one. It's not that bad,
it's
but
not that bad, but I'm grateful.
yeah. So now let me do the mine. I think. So I really want the red one because I have seen the red dumpling. Everyone is getting the red dumpling, like the shorts I have seen, and it looks so cute. So I'm just gonna unbox it. So 3, 2. Oh, I got the red one. I really wanted it, guys. I actually got the red one. Okay. I think we have a good luck
And
today,
now
guys.
mine.
Yeah.
I want this.
But guys,
It's
it's
hard
really
to
cute. It's really cute. Isn't it so cute?
Yeah. I don't know. Should I take white glitter or yellow glitter?
I think yellow glitter is a little better because it's like it's
No, wait. What should I take?
because
Actually, I want a yellow glitter. It is way better.
okay,
It is way better.
3, 2, 1. You got the yellow glitter.
Ah, I got the yellow
Okay, he
glitter.
got the yellow glitter, the one he wanted. So these are super cute, and these are like color coordinated. I'm not sure if I'm saying the correct word, but this is kind of like matching, you guess. And it's color changing. Sorry, I guess it's color changing and it becomes yellow. So both of them are kind of like that. Okay, so I really want the glitter purple. I really want the glitter purple, guys. And I literally want the purple glitter.
Yeah, it's been on YouTube, so it's like everybody has it.
Yeah, so I really want it. Now, hopefully we have good luck today and I get the purple glitter. But yeah, I'm grateful for anything I get. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I got the glitter dumpling, guys. I got the glitter dumpling.
2 times in a row.
Yeah.
2 times in a row.
And did you notice that we got one normal and then one glitter?
Oh yeah.
It's just like so good, guys. And we are grateful for everything that we have. And yeah, we are really grateful. Okay, yeah. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Peace.
And also share it with your family and friends so that they can also enjoy. And we're gonna come with new videos or shorts of our squishy hunting. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.
Bye.